Hey guys, welcome back. I've been living on Sudafed for the last week with the stuffy cold. No, it has nothing to do with Windows 11, but I do have Windows 11 news. So let's take a quick look at this. Now, this is from August 27th, okay? Yes, there's been confusion about Windows 11 update minimum system requirements, yada, yada, yada. I get it. But as we scroll down here, they focus on the reliability of Windows 11, assuming it meets the system requirements. Now, it says here that devices that do meet the minimum system requirements had a 99.8% crash free experience. Meaning, with Windows 11, your reliability will be almost 100%. Okay, so my question is that with or without the updates? Bada boom.